If your Roblox chat suddenly stops working in 2026, you are not banned. You just need to complete the new face verification. In this video, I will show you how to properly complete face verification on Roblox using your phone. Starting January 2026, Roblox requires age verification before you can use chat features like text chat and voice chat. Without verification, you won't be able to send messages, use voice chat, or access some social features. The fastest way to unlock chat is by using face verification. For users aged 13 and above, you can also verify your age using an official government-issued ID such as a driver's license or a national ID card. Tap the three dots in the bottom right corner, then select Send. Next, choose Account Info and look at the Age Group section below. Tap Next. If your age group is under 12, you will need parental permission. To do this, enter your parents' email address. Open the email and you will see a confirmation link to log into a Roblox account. If they don't have an account yet, they can create a new one by tapping Create Account. Enter the date, month, and year of birth, then tap Create Account. After that, you will need to verify your ID. Next, grab your smartphone and scan this QR code. You will be automatically redirected to the next page. Tap Continue. Now, upload one of the following documents: a driver's license, a national ID card, or a passport. Tap Continue. Then take a photo of your document. After that, proceed to face verification. Make sure to follow the arrows by turning your head left and right. Finally, tap Agree to link the parent's Roblox account with the child's account. Don't forget to tap Allow so the chat feature can be unlocked. Now the chat feature has been successfully unlocked. You can communicate based on your appropriate age group.